So this is why I was saying, you guys see how now I've got like lines all over the place, right? This is why every day I have to clear all these and start over because this would just look like a mess for everybody to try to follow along with, right? So every day I got to wipe this. But for you guys, these big levels matter, right? So some of the biggest things, by the way, as you guys are charting, master class, some of the biggest things while you guys are charting, it's always going to be pre-market high, pre-market low, yesterday high, yesterday low. Those will play in more than anything else throughout the day. So if you see those key critical areas, you definitely want to mark those in gold. And like I've taught you guys before in our VIP room, if you right click on here on the screen and go to drawings, put in a text, and you could say pre-market low or pre-market high or whatever you want and put it in here. Do you see it? And now you'll know all day, why did you put that there? See it? So right here, SPY's actually moving to the upside. So what I'm going to do is I'll do something small here. Let me just do like 10 contracts. So right here, if I go stop loss and I change percentage to dollar amount, you see it right here?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it shows you, see my estimate?
Gotcha. All right.
It's changing right here.
So, and then every time, can I set it so that every time I do a SPY call, that will happen?
Well, you have to change it, but yes, you can tell it. The best thing and the easiest thing to do, and like right here, right? I'd be making a ton of money, by the way. But the easiest thing to do on this is a stop loss percentage. And then you put in whatever your normal percentage is, right? So if I bought 10 contracts, typically, see here, it says 60 bucks. If I'm like,
Gotcha.
well, I can go 10%, there's 120 at the time of purchase. Do you see it?
Gotcha. Okay. All right. All right. I
And
get, all right.
yep,
That's easier.
and it will look
Okay, I
like
didn't notice that.
and it will look like this. Ready? Yep, there we go. And there it is. Now listen, if I want, I can click this and see it on my chart. So
Yep.
this is my chart, and then I can hand manipulate the stop. See it?
Correct. Okay. I know that. Yeah. Okay. I get that
Okay.
part.
Yep. Otherwise, I can still right click modify inside of this order and do it the old fashioned way like this, right? Yeah, that way if I'm, like think about it, if I just want to look at this like the regular chart and it obviously doesn't show me, I can be watching the main chart here and I can still hand manipulate this based upon where it is here, just like this. See, so it's $1.27 is the last price. There's my stop at $1.24. I don't need to be staring at this chart, right? I don't care what this chart's doing. And there you go, made money. Move my stop up above what I paid there. Boom. Now I made money no matter what. See it?
Gotcha.
Yep. And there
All
you go.
right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.